Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to save battery on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, if you forgot to bring a charger while traveling or in activities and your cell phone becomes low bat, then I have a solution how to keep your battery cell phone durable and long lasting guys. And how to do that is quite easy and I will show you how. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone first guys. Okay, you can click for settings menu and after that you can scroll down till the bottom, and so yeah, you can go to power marathon guys. You can click for it, and the first step is you can go to battery saving settings, and then you can turn on battery saver, and so yeah, we can go back and then you can enable power boost. You can enable, your phone will turn to dark mode and your battery will last longer than before guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to save battery on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching guys.